One of the most high-profile sexual assault cases in recent history occurred in my district last year. The assault built on a growing number of similar horrific attacks on our college campuses and in our communities, and spurred long overdue conversations about sexual assault and how survivors are treated by our criminal justice system. A federal sexual assault survivors' Bill of Rights, courageously crafted and advocated for by a survivor of sexual assault, was unanimously passed by Congress and signed into law by President Obama last year. California must follow suit. We have an opportunity to be a national leader in ensuring justice is served for survivors of sexual assault. After enduring a terrible attack, survivors are often forced to navigate a complex criminal justice system that far too often adds to the psychological and emotional scars left by the crime itself. In addition to codifying additional rights for victims, AB 1312 will provide victims with much-needed clarity and certainty. Importantly, this bill requires local law enforcement agencies and sexual assault experts to develop a card to be given to survivors that very clearly informs victims of all of their rights and provides additional information to help guide victims through what can only be best described as an unjustly difficult and laborious process. It should never be the case where the pain of the initial sexual assault is matched by the ordeal survivors go through navigating the criminal justice system. I believe our state needs to make a long-standing commitment that, during one of the most difficult times in a survivor's life, the criminal justice system will protect their rights first and foremost. We must ensure that justice is served for survivors by passing the Sexual Assault Survivors' Bill of Rights.